FavePay offers some of the best opportunities to earn cashback while making everyday purchases, and knowing which merchants to prioritize can maximize your savings. Restaurants are a strong starting point. Popular chains like KFC, McDonald's, and Domino's frequently provide generous FavePay cashback offers, often ranging between 10% and 20%. Dining out or ordering delivery through these outlets allows you to enjoy your favorite meals while putting money back into your pocket. Coffee shops also rank high for cashback. Starbucks and local specialty cafes often feature promotions that give up to 15% back when paying with FavePay, making your daily coffee routine more rewarding. Retail stores also provide significant cashback opportunities. Stores like ShopRite, Spar, and online platforms such as Jumia and Canva regularly run FavePay cashback promotions. These can reach up to 12% on select items, especially during sales periods. Using FavePay at these locations ensures that essential shopping and impulse buys both contribute to savings. Lifestyle services such as salons, spas, and gyms also partner with FavePay, offering cashback for services ranging from 5% to 15%. This turns routine wellness expenses into an avenue for returns. Digital subscriptions and services are another smart choice. Platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and local streaming apps sometimes allow payments via FavePay, delivering consistent cashback rewards. Additionally, travel bookings through selected airlines and hotel chains using FavePay can return a percentage of your spend, making trips more affordable over time. Consistency is key to maximizing benefits. Regularly checking FavePay for updated merchant lists and active promotions ensures every payment has the potential to earn cashback. By strategically targeting restaurants, retail stores, lifestyle services, and digital platforms, you turn everyday spending into a source of savings. FavePay's ecosystem of merchants allows users to enjoy products and services while making each dollar spent work harder through cashback rewards.